What's going on, guys? This is Karol Fule from Undisputed Marketer, and if you are watching this video, you are probably doing some research on YouTube or somewhere else about Siteground web hosting, and you are wondering whether or not this is the right web hosting platform for your particular needs. So in this Siteground review, we are going to dive deep into this topic, and we are going to actually look at the most important aspects and features of the web hosting platform, so you can decide whether or not Siteground is the right choice for you. Now, Siteground is many times referred to as one of the best web hosting platforms out there, one of the market leaders, so let's actually have a look what do they offer us. Now, Siteground does offer us quite extensive range of web hosting options, including WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, as well as cloud hosting. When it comes to the prices and packages of Siteground web hosting, Siteground does offer 3 different packages. It's the Startup Plan, Grow Big Plan and Go Geek Plan. Startup Plan comes with a price tag of $6.99 per month, Grow Big Plan is $9.99 per month, and Go Geek Plan is $14.99 per month. Important thing to remember about these prices is that all of these prices are special prices, which basically means they are only for the first purchase you make with Siteground. So if you choose their 12-month deal, which is their most favorite deal, then you're going to pay 12 months $6.99 per month, and then any other new renewals, they are going to be for the original price, which is the price just under the special prices written in small. So this is just something to, be aware of and keep in mind, so you are not surprised or confused when the renewal actually happens. Apart from that, Startup Plan comes with one website, 10 GB of web space and 10,000 monthly visits, while the Grow Big Plan and Go Geek Plan comes with unlimited websites. Grow Big Plan is 20 GB of web space and 25,000 monthly visits, while the Go Geek Plan is 40 GB of web space up to 100,000 monthly visits. All of these packages come with free SSL daily backup, free CDN, as well as free emails, which is a very nice features to actually have even with the lowest package. Now, as you can see, Siteground is very transparent with all the differences between the packages, so you can just browse through it on your own whenever you want. Siteground does offer 30 days money back guarantee, so if you decide in those 30 days this web hosting from Siteground is not the right choice for you, then you can just ask for a refund and they will give you back your money without questions. When you decide that Siteground is the go-to web hosting platform for you, then I have put all the possible discounts and promotional codes in the description below, so the link in the description below is going to take you directly to the best available offer that is available at Siteground at the time you're watching this video. Now, Siteground might not be the cheapest web hosting platform you might possibly stumble across. In fact, it is one of the premium ones when it comes to the prices, but what you're getting for that extra price is the big name of the Siteground and the performance, the quality of the service and the speed that you're getting for your websites. Now, Siteground is well known for their compatibility with WordPress. They are actually directly recommended by WordPress as their go-to web hosting platform. So if WordPress is something you're looking for and you're working with and you are looking for a web hosting platform for your blog or website, then Siteground might be the right choice for you. Other than WordPress, Siteground does offer you also a Weebly free site builder, and they are very compatible with other things, just such as website transfer is very easy to do with Siteground. Now, when it comes to the actual features and technology that Siteground offers you, Siteground is well known for being the market leader in implementing new technology, and if you are having your web hosting with Siteground and there is a new technology coming in, then you can bet you will be among the first ones to actually experience it. Siteground is powered by Google Cloud Platform, which just gives them that extra performance, speed and safety when it comes to your websites. Apart from that, Siteground does work hard on implementing and creating new technologies to increase the security, the speed and the performance of all the websites that they offer and they work on. Siteground does use different features and technology in order to better the performance of your websites, including ultra fast PHP, which just gives extra 30% of speed when it comes to loading of your website, as well as NGINX direct delivery, which just gives that speed and performance into your websites. When it comes to the actual speed and uptime of what you can expect from Siteground web hosting, the speed which Siteground websites are powered by is around 1.1 to 1.5 seconds of the full load page time. Now this time might differ and is dependent on your website actually, and depends on whether you do have quite a lot of pictures on your website or many embedded videos. This might affect this time and it might be a little bit longer. When it comes to the uptime, if you don't know what uptime means, uptime is basically a percentage of time when your website together with web servers of the web hosting platform are on, which means they are available for the visitor to visit your website. If you are having less than 99.94% of uptime, then you should seriously think about changing your web hosting platform. With Siteground you are getting 99.99% of uptime, and I would even go further into stating they do have 100% of uptime. They just leave that small tiny space for them to have that extra safety. An important part when it comes to web hosting is the actual security that you are offered by the web hosting platform, and with Siteground you are getting real quality. They do have real-time server health checks, which is a proactive monitoring system that checks in the real-time threats and malicious traffic, as well as they use an AI anti-bot system which checks against malicious traffic and software, which is just great when you think about it, and an AI is actually protecting your website. And they do offer a 24/7 expert system administration, as well as a dedicated staff and team that checks the threats. So when it comes to the security, with Siteground you have that peace of mind that your traffic and your website is protected. Last but not least is the actual support you are getting as a customer of Siteground. Siteground is well known for their top quality support, and you can actually contact them via live chat, phone call or an e-ticket. When it comes to the support and its live chat, from my own experience I enjoy these live chats, and I find it very fast and efficient when it comes to the resolution of it. To wait for a representative is pretty much only in a few minutes, and the resolution is very fast and efficient. What I value really highly is that guys and the associates on the support are actually willing to help you and do the work instead of you. So they are not redirecting you to some article or not explaining you how to do it, but they're actually willing to make the corrections on your website on behalf of you, which is just something nice to have, especially when you are pretty much a newbie when it comes to web hosting or site building, and you just want that extra safety that everything is fine on your website. All in all, would I recommend Siteground as your web hosting platform? It all depends on what you're looking for. If a cheap web hosting is something that you're looking for, then Siteground might not be the right choice for you, as it is a premium priced web hosting and you might find way cheaper web hostings out there. However, if you're looking for that extra comfort, that extra peace of mind that everything is settled, everything is working good, and that top quality services, technology and support, then Siteground is the go-to web hosting platform for you. So this is it for the Siteground review. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope hope you learned something new, and I hope that I really helped you in deciding whether or not this is the right choice for you. If it's so, let me know in the comments below, give me thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to check the description below. If you decided that Siteground is the web hosting platform for you, then any discounts and promotional codes are going to be in the description, and the link is going to take you to the best offer automatically. So this is it guys, thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.